Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I have got my primary hay baler, the International 47. It's up in the mountains on our hay meadows up there, just waiting for the second cutting to come on. I didn't want to haul it back here, but anyway, this is my McCormick International. This one is wire tie as well, and this is a 56 model. So this is my older baler, and this whole thing was given to me after it sat for many years. I got it all freed up and got it going, and it's been a pretty good baler. The only problem that I have with it, when it gets real thick, this belt starts slipping when it gets real thick, the hay, so I have to go pretty slow with it. But I've got some belt dressing that I can spray on that belt, and I get by with it pretty good with the way it goes. But I've got just like an acre of clover over there that I got to go get baled, and then I will be using it down on my spring pasture. I've got some more hay to cut and bale down there, but it's too wet down in the lowlands yet, so I got to let that dry out a little bit more. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you this old baler. I have no idea what year it is. An International 56 with that flat belt pulley on it. It would be interesting to know how old it is, but still working after all these years. Well, I finished up with that little spot of yellow clover. That's really substandard hay there, but it was free. The guy told me if I'd cut it and bale it, I could have it. And there was 30 bales of hay there, which was way more than I was anticipating getting off that little place. But that old hay baler, once I got it keyed in and going, I'd had the chamber empty and I missed a few knots the first few bales, but after that it just worked just right. Those bales are pretty light. I was out there at 5:30 in the morning trying to get a little bit of dew on them. It's so dry around here this year that there wasn't even any dew, so you can see this is what happens when you bale them without any dew. You can see all the leaves and the blossoms are down there on the bottom of the bale, and then it sticks up higher. But substandard hay, but it'll feed. They'll eat it, and the price was right. That's not near as good as this premium alfalfa that I took off the mountain. So that's where we're at today. I got to haul some equipment home from that spot. It's only a quarter of a mile away from the house, so I got to go drive the swather and the old Model H home, and we'll be done with that, except that I'll likely be helping him. He's got probably better than 1,000 bales out there, and I'm anticipating helping him get all that hay put up. Thanks for watching.